Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello friends. Welcome back. Today, I am drawing and coloring a beautiful helicopter. Let's get started. I start by drawing the body shape of the helicopter. After that, I draw the tail boom. Following this, I draw the landing skid. I add a fun detail, a headlight. Once that's done, I draw the cockpit. I also draw 2 windows at the back. Moving on, I draw the rotor mast. Afterward, I add 4 rotor blades on top.
Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free.
Later, I
change
use
the past.
the tail
Believe
rotor.
in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Our drawing is complete.
Do it all myself.
Now it's time to color the helicopter.
No, I don't take shit.
First, I color the top body red.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Afterward, I color the bottom body yellow.
Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games.
I also color the front of the cockpit yellow.
Something that is topical, rub it on and watch it go.
Following this, I color the 2 headlights orange.
But they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
I then color the cockpit window blue.
I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No,
I
I'm
also
not
fill in
giving
the
up,
seat
no, I'm
windows
not
with
giving
blue.
in. I will make it to the top, taking off.
For the
and
rotor
knowing I
mast,
gotta
I
make
use a
it.
soft
I'm
pink
saving
color.
every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've never set for
After that, I color the 4 rotor blades green.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got it.
I also color the tail rotor green. Lastly, I color the landing skid gray. Once all the coloring is done, I use a black marker. I highlight the entire drawing to make it neat and beautiful. And that's it. Our helicopter drawing is complete.
Whoa!
Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time.